keep trying to fit inside the lines now.
Once again, good morning everyone, and we welcome you to the First Bicol University's first Innovation Fest with the theme Transcending Innovations for a Sustainable Society.
Divide and get to the bottom. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We're never fitting with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Would they notice if we got lost? If we disappeared? And tell me right after this rainstorm that the smoke will clear. Looking at our dreams on movie screens and magazines, don't see a reflection. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We're never fitting with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Sometimes it feels like, 'cause darling, we're different. Sharks in the water, 'cause darling, we're different. We're never fitting with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different.
Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, oh. pinagtitibay ng panahon. Kahit tayo ay magkakaiba,
Ngunit tayo pa rin ay nagkakaisa.
Biyuwenyo, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagningning ng biyuwenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, biyuwenyo tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng biyuwenyo ay di kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng biyuwenyo ay di kumukupas. Biyuwenyo,
Orgulyo bikulan umintatak oragon sa inmandarhon dahil mapadaog sa rarok sa rabay may paglaom sa gabos dahil naman ang gadang tunay na lutak na biyuwenyo. Pag sinabing biyuwenyo magaling siguradong titingalain na mumutawi ang pag-ibig sa iyong puso pagkat ikaw ay isang tunay na biyuwenyo.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng biyuwenyo. Kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Taas noo sa kabutihan ng iyong puso. Kahit saan man dalhin ng mundo.
biyuwenyo, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. Sinaningning ng biyuwenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, biyuwenyo tayo. Biyuwenyo, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. Sinaningning ng biyuwenyong magaling. Ikaw at ako, biyuwenyo tayo. Biyuwenyo, ipakita ang galing mo. Talenta ng biyuwenyo, paghusayan mo.
Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng biyuwenyo, hindi kumukupas. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. Galing ng biyuwenyo, hindi kumukupas. Ay di
Galing ng biyuwenyo ay di kumukupas.
Sumasayaw ang langit, habang lupa'y umaawi. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Sumasayaw ang langit, habang lupa'y umaawi. Mga ulap, hinipan ng hangin, uli ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa pawid. Kay sarap mabuhay, sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa. Keep trying to fit inside the lines now.
Once again, good morning everyone, and we welcome you to the First Pico University's first Innovation Fest with the theme Transcending Innovations for a Sustainable Society.
Divide and get to the bottom. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We'll never fit in with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Would they notice if we got lost? If we disappeared? And tell me right after this rainstorm that the smoke will clear. Looking at our dreams on movie screens and magazines, don't see a reflection. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We'll never fit in with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Sometimes it feels like, 'cause darling, we're different. Sharks in the water, 'cause darling, we're different. We'll never fit in with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different.
Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 oh,
Sa bawat biyuan yung nandirito, taglay mo ang galing na sigurado. Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamalas. Tunay kay tatak biyuan nyo.
Kahit subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Dahil kailan may hindi nawawala pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
Sumasayaw ang langit habang lupa'y umaawi. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Sumasayaw ang langit habang lupa'y umaawi. Mga ulap, inipan ng hangin, uni ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa pawid. Kay sarap mabuhay sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay aming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay aming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Lupa ay nilayanig ng mga awitin, lahat na paiindak, sasaya ng himig. Kay sarap ng buhay na inaalay sa pasasalamat at pagpupugay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura.
Keep trying to fit inside the lines now.
Once again, good morning everyone, and we welcome you to the First Pico University's first Innovation Fest with the theme Transcending Innovations for a Sustainable Society.
Divide and get to the bottom. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We'll never fit in with the rest. We've all got monsters unconfessed. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Would they notice if we got lost? If we disappeared? And tell me right after this rainstorm, that the smoke will clear. Looking at our dreams on movie screens and magazines, don't see a reflection. Could be somebody else, but who the hell would tell themselves it's us that's the problem? Sometimes it feels like nobody's listening. Sharks in the water, but just keep swimming. We'll never fit in with the rest. We've all got monsters under beds. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different. Sometimes it feels like, 'cause darling, we're different. Sharks in the water, 'cause darling, we're different. We'll never fit in with the rest. We've all got monsters under beds. We'll never change it, 'cause darling, we're different.
Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 whoa, oh, 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 oh,
Sa bawat biyuan yung nandirito, taglay mo ang galing na sigurado. Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamalas. Tunay kay tatak biyuan nyo.
Kahit subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Dahil kailanman hindi nawawala pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa.
Biyuan nyo, halina't sumabay sa tutugin ng ating tagumpay. So'y nagniningning ng biyuan ng magaling. Ikaw at ako, biyuan na tayo. Panahon, oras ay lumilipas. may paglaong sa gabos dahil naman ang gandang tunay na utak na biyuwenyo. Pag sinabing biyuwenyo magaling, siguradong titingalain na mamutawi ang pag-ibig sa iyong puso pagkat ikaw ay isang tunay na biyuwenyo.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng biyuwenyo. Kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Taas noo sa kabutihan ng iyong puso. Kahit saan man dalhin ang mundo.
Biyuwenyo, halina't sumabay sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Sinanginig ang biyuwenyo, ikaw at biyuwenyo tayo. Biyuwenyo, halina't sumabay sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Sinanginig ang biyuwenyo,
Oras ay lumilipas. Tagal ng biyuwenyo. Di kumukupas. Oras ay lumilipas. Tagal ng biyuwenyo. Di kumukupas. Ay di Sumasayaw ang langit, habang lupa'y umaawi. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Sumasayaw ang langit, habang lupa'y umaawi. Mga ulap, hilipan ng hangin. Uli ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa pawid. Kay sarap mabuhay, sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit. Kay raming dahilan upang mag-iwang tayo ay nag-isa
Thank you so much, University of Santo Tomas de Gaspi Coral. Yan! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Proxy Convention Center. Okay, palakpakan po naman natin ang University of Santo Tomas de Gaspi Coral, and the University of Santo Tomas is the newest member of the BCAR. Sila po ay ang pinaka-baby member ng BCAR, the newest member institution ng BCAR. Hello, good morning, Miss Julia. You're so lovely today.
Good morning, sir. Likewise to you. I love your outfit.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and to all the Pili enthusiasts, welcome again to the Proxy Convention Center for the Pili Fiesta 2023. And I can't help but feel the immense sense of pride and excitement as we are gathered today as a community bound by our passion for Pili Tree, its legacy, and its really an absolute pleasure to be one of your co-hosts and to be the host for today's celebration of the Fiesta, Pili Fiesta.
Again, good morning again, our esteemed guests. Today, we will embark on an encounter that transcends the borders, connecting the farms and the industry through science and technology agenda. From the lush landscape where the Pili thrives, to expert craftsmanship and scientific innovation that go into the Pili as the tree of hope. This gathering is indeed a remarkable journey from farm to industry.
And before we formally start our celebration today, let us first acknowledge our guests. Okay, palakpakan po natin ang Department of Science and Technology. Can we give a round of applause? Isa pong masigabong palakpakan to the Department of Science and Technology. Okay, medyo, pwede mo, malakas-lakas pa yung may fiesta ambience. Yan. Okay, the DOST, the Department of Science and Technology, and also we are so honored that the DOST Picard, the team from DOST Picard is here. Palakpakan po natin all the way from the Picard. Okay, welcome to Albay, welcome to the Proxy Convention, and let's enjoy this day. Also, let us welcome the CMIs, the members, institution of the Bicol Consortium. Okay, yung mga taga-BCAR, palakpakan po natin. And lahat ng guests, ating mga Pili enthusiasts, and Bicol University, maraming salamat for finding or giving your time to be with us to celebrate this remarkable event. And further, we are gathered today to showcase commercial technologies, innovations, and invention, focusing on Pili that are funded by the Picard and DOST, to touch base the Pili industry by providing a venue to discuss new opportunities, challenges, issues in the supply chain of Pili.
And to enhance the capacity of stakeholders in managing their Pili business ventures through innovations that are science and research based.
And to formally open our program, ladies and gentlemen, we will be welcoming a person who is not only a symbol of leadership, but a champion for Pilicos. With her years of experience as a researcher, a professor, and an extension worker, truly she has played a significant role into the cultural and scientific narratives of Pili.
But beyond her achievements, she has become a true advocate for preserving Pili by promoting sustainable practices and innovations among the Pili industry.
And as we embark on this exciting journey for the next 2 days, she will set the tone with her words, not just to signal the opening of this event, but an invitation to call to action, explore, learn, and celebrate the richness of feeling.
So without further ado, please join me in extending a warm welcome to the one who will kickstart our Pili Fiesta 2023 with insight, inspiration, and a heartfelt dedication to our shared passion. Let us welcome Dr. Marisa
Director of the Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources Research and Development.
And at the same time, the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension of Bicol University. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Dr. Vanessa Estrella. Ma'am?
Thank you very much po. Isang napakagandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Diyos marahay na aga po sa satuyang gabos. So, andito po kapiling natin sa ngayon. Hindi ko po sasabihin na sila ang pinakamatanda, kundi pinakamatatag at pinakagwapo at maganda na kasama natin sa ngayon. Uunahin ko po sa first table. Nakikita ko siyempre po si Director Dindo Nabol, si Sir Ronel Serrano of the UST, andyan si Ma'am Dietz, dating Director po siya ng DA Tobacco Research Center, andyan po ang ating scientist, si Ma'am Linda Rillo, dating Center Manager of PCA, ARC, or Albay Research Center. And the next table, makikita ko po dito kahit medyo naaaninag ko at nakakasilaw, of course. Andyan po ang ating seasoned researcher na ngayon, retired but not tired, Director po ng UST Research Center, si Dr. Plotomeo Nieves, who retired from BU. And there, si Architect Leo, andyan din po. And then of course, andyan ang ating Vice Chairman, President also of Bicol University, si Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres. And then of course, andyan ang ating RDCC Chairman na sa ngayon ay Pangulo ng CBSUA, si Sir Alberto Naperi. And next, nahihiyang sumalo dito sa unahan, subalit from Partido State University, andyan ang Vice President si Ma'am Patet Candelaria. And then si Director Luisa, andyan po sa katabi niya. Okay. And then of course, hindi ko makakalimutan at hindi ko ililigtas po sa pangunguna ni Director Marita Carlos, na nanggaling pa po from Los Baños at ang kanyang team. Andyan po si Sir Alvin Kiel na talagang tumulong sa amin sa Pillinizer program, si Sir Gian, and the rest of the team who traveled all the way from LB for 13 hours. Siya po ay si Dr. Marita Carlos, siya po ang Director ng Applied Communication Division, representing Picard. And then of course, si Sir Quezon of Bifar, si Sir Erwin Torres, also of Bicol University, and then of course sila Ma'am Director Lani Maceda and Ma'am Weng of EMD or Extension, Deputy Director Lester Narvaez, and all our personnel and staff sa Bicard, then Director Crispina Baltasar. Ang mga director po namin ay kasama namin din, si Ma'am Janessa of Food Innovation Center, and then si Sir Nicanor Balbin of the Intellectual Property Management Division. Of course, the Director of RDMD, si Director Lani Maceda, and we have guests po na hindi ko na masyadong makita at nakakasilaw. Mahirap maging artista dito sa gitna. Isang malugod at mainit na pagtanggap po sa inyong lahat. Despite your very busy schedule, very hectic because it's December, second week, but you are still here joining us. So let's thank God for all the graces, for the safe travels, allowing us all to be here in the Pili Fiesta. So today, we're going to present all the research results from the Pillinizer program. Ito po ay 3 years extended for 6 months na programa funded by the UST, Science for Change program. And then of course, with all the help from the UST Picard, we were able to finish this program. And together with our exhibitors there, our entrepreneurs and more farmers will be coming this afternoon. And our students also are here, and our project leaders, si Ma'am Judith, nakikita ko si Ma'am Chinian, kami yung mga taga-PARSU at taga-CBSUA, sila Sir Vladimir Foronda, who will be joining us also today. So, with your presence, I know that this event will be very successful. and we will be able to hit our aim, that is to share all the information and all the technologies, kasi kasama po dito technology pitching. So makikita ninyo ang actual na produkto, like yung machinery, mga product from Pili, like Pili milk for instance, or Pili chips. Makikita natin kung paano isinagawa at ipipresenta po ng mga technology developers sa ating techno-pitching mamayang hapon. Okay? And meron din po kaming pa-contest sa photography and then also sa vlog to add color para talagang maging piyestang-piyesta po ang ating pagpipiesta sa ating mga teknolohiya. By the way, this is an extension modality of Picard. Na pinangungunahan nila Father Jovic Lobrigo and also our Bishop Bailon here in Legazpi, giving livelihood to a lot of traders and farmers also. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin at may iba pang magbibigay po sa inyo ng mensahe at inspirasyon. Dito pa lang, ako po talaga, maliban sa mainit na pagtanggap sa inyo, ako'y nagpapasalamat na at binigyan ninyo ng puwang ang ating Pili Fiesta 2023. Nasuportado po talaga tayo ng Picard, kaya andito po sila, isang team. So, again, thank you so much at maligayang araw po at maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat, Dr. Marisa and Estrella, for sharing your insight, wisdom, and unwavering commitment. Truly, your words have illuminated and ignited a sense of excitement. Okay, sabi niyo madami tayong mga activities mamaya. Okay, so we'll be having the mobile photography contest. Okay, so mamaya they will be opening the exhibit and everyone sila ang mag-judge ng the best photograph about Pili. And also later on, there will be having an exhibit and tomorrow there will be a vlog contest. So ito ay isa lang naman sa mga, the few of the activities prepared sa ating Pili Fiesta. And thank you again, ma'am, your dedication to preservation and promotion of PiliNat and your effort for promoting sustainable practices for propagation, processes, and mechanization of Pili is indeed commendable. And your significant words today will echo in our minds and will guide us in enriching our experiences. Again, palakpakan po natin si Dr. Marisa Estrella. Okay, si Ma'am Maris, palakpakan sa mga sigabong, palakpakan po para kay Ma'am Maris.
Again, thank you so much, Ma'am. At this juncture, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce a key figure in Picard whose leadership has been instrumental in shaping the research landscape of the consortium. Today, we have the privilege to welcome and listen to the message that will be given by the chairman of RRDCC of Picard, Dr. Alberto Naperi, SUC President of the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture.
Sir?
Thank you. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Today, we are celebrating the Pili Fiesta. So I would like to mention and honor the father of the local government of Albay, Governor Edsel Grego Lagman, And the host agency, the Bicol University, headed by Dr. Baby Boy Nepres. And of course, we cannot go without the DOST. It is the DOST and the BICARD who made this event a successful one. We have here our director, the regional director, and the member of all the the governing board, members of the governing board of all the SUCs in Bicol region, Sir Romel Serrano. Sir, thank you sa support, not only sa BICARD, but all the 9 state universities and colleges here in Bicol region. To Ma'am Maris, si Ma'am Maris, we will be having a hardship if Ma'am Maris will now going to exit. I don't want that Ma'am Maris would thinking her retirement soon. But if that time comes, then we need to train another leadership to handle the BICARD organization. So siguro, matagal-tagal pa naman yan, Ma'am Maris. Anyway, meron nang na-train dyan si Ma'am Maris, yung team natin sa BICARD. Mayroon na tayong executive director dyan. And then yung mga directors ng unit directors natin. So as the president of Central Bicol State University of Agriculture and the RRDCC chair of BICARD, it is my honor to speak before you this morning. Just like everyone here who promotes and works for the uplift of the pili industry through research and development. I am happy to note that the academy, allied agencies, and industry players continuously support one another for the pili industry. Indeed, my warmest congratulations to the organizers of this significant activity dubbed as Pili Fiesta. In Bicol, Pili plays a significant role in the economy. And I suppose it is also your experience, as I had mine. Whenever I go to other places, it is always an accolade for a Bicolano that we know all about Pili. Kung minsan nga, pag nakakalimutan yung pangalan natin, tinatawag akong Pili Boy. So, it's very nice. It's good that there is one supposed product that identifies a Bicolano, a Bicolana. And it is Pili. So it provides additional income to some farmers. The processing industry generates employment to score of people such as traders, processors, assemblers, factory workers, storekeepers, and others offering miscellaneous services related to the industry. Although the Pili processing industry has sustained through the years a huge task, although a huge task remain to be done. More concerted efforts by various agencies and some NGOs are needed to hasten the development of the industry in the region. Yes, we recognize challenges on how we develop Pili industry in our region. Noted constraints such as unavailability of superior quality planting materials, limited institutional support on production development, lack of pili nut supply, poor marketing systems, unavailability of cost-saving post-harvest and processing facilities, although we have some post-harvest material, equipments, invented by our scientists, but it really gives an upper hand in order for us to establish a pili industry in the region. And high cost of transportation, absence of appropriate credit support to farmer producers must be considered things of the past. So we have to focus more on how we really delve and concentrate our efforts, because as I know, all Bicolanos wanted to be known and be part of the development of pili industry here in the region. So magsama-sama po tayo. Yung mga ideas natin, we work together, we collaborate together, and we claim that we will be part of the whole industry. Huwag po tayong magwatak-watak. We cannot claim the achievement of one independent from the other if we wanted to really establish a pili industry in Bicol region. I believe that this crop from the so-called Tree of Hope will become an export winner. This activity, which brings together pili industry actors, key players, and champions of pili for a festival of pili, is a sure step on that. This undertaking will showcase and capitalize a meaningful and broader awareness, dialogue, and covenants towards development in the region. We are confident that we are on the right track towards attaining our goal of upgrading the value chain of pili to boost the pili industry. As such, we invite you all to participate on the various activities lined up for this festival. Let us strengthen our collective goal in making the pili industry a robust economy for Bicol and for the country. Salamat po. Diyos mabalo sa inyo.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Laperi, for your message. So yan. Actually, the celebration, itong 2-day activity is a part of the 6th-month celebration of Pili Fiesta.
Oh,
yes.
nice.
Actually, kung ang Pilipinas ay may pinakamahabang Pasko, tayo may pinakamahabang fiesta. Okay, so we're celebrating the fiesta, the Pili Fiesta for 6 months. Actually, itong activity natin ngayon is just a part of the 6-month celebration of the Pili Fiesta. And for the information of everyone, prior to holding this activity, meron na kami mga activity before pa. So we had the road show, and to inform everyone that the Pili Fiesta will not end tomorrow, it will end by February. Okay, di ba? Exciting. So madami tayong mga activity aside from the mobile photography, the vlog contest, exhibit. Later on, we'll be having the exhibit, the techno pitching, the Pili taste test, and techno forum. So madami pa tayong activity. Baka gusto mong sumali sa...
I do. I'm really excited for the Pili Taste Test. I I hope I could be one of the participants. So we'll see later.
Kaya lang baka tumaba ka sa Pili. Okay. So sana daw may pageant, may Miss Pili. Pero actually meron naman Miss Pili, di ba? Kaya lang that's out of beyond the activity of Picard. Because in our Pili celebration, we are celebrating Pili People Propagation, Processing, and Mechanization para mas ma-appreciate natin at promote natin ang Pili, which is considered to be the tree of hope. Yan. At ang daming pwedeng gawin na napakagrabing potential ng Pili. And palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Ruby dyan sa likod. And this is, ito ang kanyang anak, brainchild niya to. She created along with, of course, tulong ng B-Card. She was able to prepare this proposal para magkaroon tayo ng napakahabang Pili celebration. And we are looking forward for the next Pili Fiesta. Andito yung ating mga friends from DOST Picard. Okay, na sana by next year, di ba, magkita-kita pa tayo. Okay, so at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we shall now be listening to another message, inspiring message.
So as we gather for this Pili Fiesta, it is just fitting that we have the privilege of welcoming the driving force of our beloved Bicol University. Friends, let's welcome our Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Neves III for his message.
Palakpakan po natin ang Bicol University President.
Thank you very much. To our dynamic regional director of the DOST Region 5, RD Romel Sarana, Sir, thank you so much din po. Kala ni Sir Bert siya lang, kami din po magpapasalamat din. Ang Bicol University ay nagpapasalamat, buong puso nagpapasalamat sa aming regional director sa kanyang suporta sa Bicol University. To the regional director also, DTI Region 5, Director Dindo G. Nabon, Sir. To our partners from Picard, headed by Dr. Reynaldo Iborra, as represented by Miss Marita Carlos, DOST Picard Applied Communication Division Director, and Ma'am Bernadita Orbase, a retired head of Alpha Experimental Station, DA Tabaco. To our Picard family, headed by Dr. Alberto Naperi, the same time our PASOK 5 President and CBSUA President, other officials and members, the faculty from Bicol University and other state universities and colleges, higher education institutions, and consortium member institutions involved in the project under Picard funding. Guests, friends, especially to our Executive Director, Dr. Marisa Estrella, Bicol University Vice President for Research Development Extension. Ladies and gents, isang malamig, maulan, mahangin at maputik na araw. Yan po ang reason kung bakit wala pa po sila. Siguro, dahil maputik, mahirap umanda ng sasakyan. Dahil mahangin, dahil nilalamig lumabas ng bahay. Pero mamaya-maya, mapupuno din itong session na ito. We Bicolanos have a special love affair with Pili. Similar to our affinity with chili or anything spicy. Apart from various uses, the Pili nut is unique because it is endemic to the Philippines. Parang mga Bicolano na may taglay na kakaiba. Naniniwala ba tayo na may taglay tayong kakaiba? Yung hindi po naniniwala, ewan ko po sa inyo. Baka sunod po yun, masantigwar po ka mo. Projects like this make me truly happy and appreciative. After all, sino pa ba naman ang magpapahalaga ng sarili natin gaya ng pili, kundi tayo rin lang pong mga Bicolano. So it is always good to contribute and continue our love affair with this endearing knot. This is contributing to building sustainable societies. At the heart of the vision of Bicol University, of a university for humanity, lies its advocacy for building sustainable societies. The cry for development is always anchored on sustainable partnership and productive collaboration like this that will redound to strengthening each capacity towards sustainable development programs. What better way to strengthen this than to ensure the full support and participation of all the sectors and the rest of the stakeholders. Thus, we thank our partners, Picard especially, and Dr. Marisa Estrella, together with Professor Ruby Macasinag, for leading this noteworthy project. The Bicol University family expresses its full support and heartfelt gratitude to all partner agencies, especially, again, to Picard and other stakeholders for ensuring that this partnership will be sustainable and will keep going on. We express our strong support and commitment to the attainment of the goals and this latest partnership and projects, not only for Bicol University, but to the other consortium member institutions of Picard. Kami ay patuloy na makikibahagi sa tunay na kaunlaran para sa lahat. Maligayang Pasko at Diyos ang mabalo sa gabos.
Thank you so much, Dr. Neves. And now it is with great pleasure to introduce our distinguished keynote speaker for the Pili Fiesta 2023. Our keynote speaker is the esteemed Director of Applied Communication of the DOST Picard.
And in her leadership within the Applied Communications Department of the Picard has contributed to the dissemination of knowledge and fostering collaboration. Without further ado, let us warmly welcome Ms. Marita Carlos, the Director of Applied Communications of Picard, who will inspire us as we celebrate PILI, People, Propagation, Processing, and Organization.
Magagandang Masters of Ceremony ngayon. Before I proceed, I would like to recognize the important people who are around today. So, I think we are still waiting for the Governor of Albay. Hopefully, he will be able to join us. But we have the Bicol University President, Dr. Benjin Nebres. Sir, finally na-meet ko kayo. I was curious kung sino po yung baby boy. Ayun. The Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources Research and Development, RRTCC Chairperson, si Dr. Alberto Naperi, na President din ng CBSUA.
Sir, first time po natin nag-meet din. The DOST Regional Director, Dr. Romel Serrano, who happened to be our former colleague at Picard also. And the Director, Regional Director of NEDA, Sir Dindo Nambol. DTI, pardon me. Sir, first time din po natin nag-meet, but anyway, it's nice to meet you po. And of course, I would like to recognize the Bicard Consortium Director, Dr. Marisa Estrella. Ma'am, huwag ka munang mag-retire. Mauna ako sa Indon. The Bicard Regional Science Communication Coordinator and Pili Fiesta Project Leader, Professor Ruby Makasinag. Ayan. Siya ang aming kasangga dito kasi sa Applied Communication Division po kami. And we always work with Professor Makasinag, very hardworking staff. The PhilPili Association, represented by Ma'am Erlinda Rillo and Ma'am Bernardita Orbase, plus maybe may other members pa po ng PhilPili na darating. And then yung mga CMI representatives natin from the other SUCs, si Ma'am Pat. Finally, nag-meet po ulit tayo after so many years, after the pandemic, from the Partido State University and other CMIs. Ang CMIs po, ang ibig sabihin is Consortium Member Institutions. So, ang BICARD po is an organization composed of several agencies. And then, of course, I would like to recognize the consortium staff who had been working so hard to put this up. Ang ganda-ganda. I was so impressed when I entered the room. And then, I also have with me the Picard delegation with the staff of the ISP manager for Pili. Kasama po namin si Alvin. Kung may tanong kayo about Pili R&D sa Picard, si Alvin ang inyong pupuntahan. And of course, my staff from the Applied Communication Division, andyan si Gian, si Rain, at si Vincent. I would also like to recognize other participants. There will be potential adopters ng ating mga technologies na i-pitch. Sana nandito rin yung ating mga farmers and other possible adopters. Ayan. And sa gabos pa po, dahil ko na masarap-sarap. Diyos marahay na aga sa Indo gabos. Tama po ang iniisip nindo. Ako po ay sarong Bicolana. Nakaibanan nindo sa pagsulong ang sa tuyang mahal na Pili. Ayan. Sarap po akong taga-Rinconada. With food, merriment, siyempre yung makulay, masaya. So, ganun din po ang fiesta sa amin. Pero ito po ay isang kakaibang fiesta. It's a registered trademark po with IPO Philippines. So, technology promotion platform siya, and it's a fiesta-like celebration that displays prosperity and abundance. But more than this, we celebrate the results of our R&D, yung results ng ating R&D. Yun po ang malalaman natin dito sa fiestang ito. So Fiesta brings together the technology generators. Nandito po yung ating mga researchers and inventors ng mga technologies with potential adopters. Meron po mga technologies na para sa mga farmers at para sa mga nagninegosyo. So during the early years, Fiesta was held to increase awareness on the technologies generated that are ready for public consumption. So mga technologies for extension, usually yun po yung mga ina-adapt ng mga farmers and cooperatives. But as more technologies have become more mature, Fiesta has become a venue to facilitate technology commercialization. Kaya makikita niyo po, mamaya po yata ay meron, o bukas, meron tayong technology pitching. Sa mga fiestas na nagawa since 2019, hindi lang po ito makikita natin na may display, merong mga pa-contest or patikim kung ang ating technology ay pagkain, kundi ito po ay through the fiesta, we are hoping na merong investor po na bibili ng ating technology. Napatunayan na po namin yun sa mga ibang fiesta na nagawa namin. So, hindi rin po ito first time ng BICARD. In fact, in 2013, BICARD conducted the Abaca Fiesta. And then, in 2019, nagkaroon po tayo ng Agri Fiesta featuring coconut, queen pineapple, and sweet potato. And this year, we are happy, in 2019 as well, nakikluster ang BICARD together with the consortia in Central Luzon and in Eastern Visayas para dun sa sweet potato. So we promoted the different technologies on sweet potato. Naging masaya din po yun. So, 3 consortia, 3 regions, ginawa po namin yung fiesta sa Quezon City because nandun yung maraming gustong makaalam sa mga produkto ng sweet potato. But before I move on, let me commend the BICARD Pili Fiesta team led by the consortium director, Dr. Marisa Estrella, and the project leader, Professor Ruby Macasinag, who is also the Science Communication Cluster Coordinator in Bicol, who have been all over Region 5. They have been doing mini fiestas as pre-event activities and road shows. Grabe ang effort po nitong Pili team sa BICARD. Your efforts are indeed notable. Mayo pang ibang consortium na nag-ibo kainin. Usually, fiesta is on the day lang. Kung ano yung sinabi sa amin doon sa proposal na fiesta will be a 2 or 3 day activity. Ito po, pre-event pa lang. Ang dami na. I wish na napuntahan ko yung mga road shows ninyo. Because sabi nga po ng aming Science Communication Coordinator, Ma'am, man po ngaya makakaigdigabos. So gusto nindang ipaabot sa mga ibang mga farmers o kung si isay pang dapat nakakaaram kung ano ang pili. Kaya pigdaran nila in collaboration with SOCS sa Sorsogon, Masbate, and other provinces. So today is the ultimate, ito yung ultimate Pili Fiesta. Kumbaga, yung icing ng cake na ginawa ng Pili team. Ininapuan talagang kaaldawan. So, marami po tayong makikita. Ang fiesta po usually may exhibit, forum, yung forum for the farmers or for potential investors na gustong magpadagos kan mga technologies na na-develop para sa mga researchers para makaaram ano na po ang status ng ating mga ginagawa sa Pili at marami pang mga participants. So the fiesta is being carried out by the Bicol University together with the CMIs. But masyado na akong i-engross sa fiesta. Ano po ba ang ating pinag-uusapan sa fiestang ito? We are looking at the gains of the DOST-supported and BICARD-monitored Pili R&D through the development of the Pili Research and Development Center and through the Niche Center in the Regions for R&D or NICER. Yun po ang NICER. Sa DOST po yan, alam niyo ni Director Romel. So yung NICER natin dito sa region, marami pong NICER actually sa iba-ibang regions. But for Region 5, we have the NICER in Pili. Meron pa pong pangalawa, yung sa Queen Pineapple. Tama po, Ma'am Maris? Yes po. Ayun. So dalawa ang NICER natin sa Bicol. At pwede pang magkaroon ng iba pang NICERs or R&D centers. Ayun. Now, for the benefit of everyone, yung mga hindi po masyadong familiar, the Pili R&D Center is a 3-year project. Natapos na po siya, but it was extended and funded by DOST. Ito yung, meron siyang component projects na pitong component projects that were geared towards the development of the pili industry to benefit the pili farmers in Bicol, the researchers, breeders, agricultural technicians, traders, and other stakeholders. As to the accomplishment, ano naman po ang na-accomplish na ng Pili R&D? So far, the R&D Center is proud of its accomplishments, kasama po ang potential varieties for registration. Nakadevelop na po kita ng mga 4 na varieties so far. And then may 5 designs of post-harvest machineries na mapapanood natin at ipipitch po yun ng mga nag-develop ng technology, kasama ang sorter, debulker, cracker, tester, remover, and oil extractor. And furthermore, a total of 8,320 asexually propagated pili seedlings were distributed to pili farmers who were also trained. So hindi lang po tayo namigay ng planting material, kasama po ang training. So tinrain din yung mga farmers kung paano ba mas mapapaganda pa yung kanilang tanim at ang kanilang magiging produkto. Also, the development of the information system and marketplace portal will give an opportunity for more collaborative access to the pili knowledge base by academic and R&D institutions. And lastly, the Buka Plant Pathology Laboratory has been renovated to facilitate the research on tinayangawon, a disease that is important because these are major pests affecting the pili trees. Now, as a way forward, DOST Picard is one with our partners in focusing on identifying technology gaps in the pili. So ito po, although nag-complete na po yung project, hilingon tapabok, ano po ang mga kaipuhan pang pag-adalan. And of course, we await yung mga susunod pang proposal. Ayan si Alvin, pwede kayong tulungan. I-develop pa natin ano pa ang dapat ibuhon para makalaban talaga ang pili sa local and export market. Sabi ko nga po, ganda kay Dr. Rio, kay Ma'am Orbase, sana hindi lang export. Kasi last week nandito po ako, nagpunta po kami sa Naga. I was so sad na ang mahal-mahal na ng pili. Nasa supermarket pa yun, hindi pa yun yung mga pasalubong center. I went to the supermarket and I was looking for different products. And when I asked, I was so surprised. Sus, doblehon na po ang presyo. Sabi ko kan mga nagtitinda, bakit ang mahal-mahal po ng pili ninyo? Ayun. So, mahal. Ang ano po doon, ang implication nun, hindi po siya affordable sa ating mga ordinaryong mamamayan. And I have a very good memory na ang pili tuwing fiesta po sa Nabua ito. Mga 1 week before pa lang, prepare na ang mga dessert na pili, coated pili, meron din mga salted, roasted, mga iba-ibang variants. Pero pili was so affordable and accessible sa mga, kaya inihahanda ni po yan. Ngayon parang hindi ko na ma-afford na ihanda pagka may handaan na may okasyon sa harong. Hindi ko na po ma-afford. So, moving forward, sana po mas ma-improve natin ang ating pili as ma-improve din ang industriya para ito po ay maging accessible and affordable sa ating mga ordinary mga mamamayan. Again, I would like to reiterate the support of DOST and Picard in the development of the pili We are here to continue our support. Ito pong fiesta, we are just celebrating what we have done. Kasi hindi po dapat yung technologies or yung produkto ng R&D or R&D resource na nakatago lang. Dapat ipaalam natin sa mga dapat na nakakaalam at dapat po ay magamit kung pwedeng ma-commercialize para mas maraming makaalam at makagamit nito. Yun po ang trabaho naman po namin sa Applied Communication Division. Kaya po nandito kami. Katuwang po namin lahat ng mga technical people from the different universities in Bicol region. So, hindi ko na po pahahabain. Ituloy na po natin ang ating kasayahan. Muli, marahay na aga sa Indogabos at mag-enjoy lang po kita. Salamat. Mga Balos.
Okay, maraming salamat, Carlos, ma'am. We have something for you here. Okay, so at this juncture, we will be awarding the token of giving something to our keynote speaker. So I would like to request Dr. Alberto Naperi, the RRDCC Chairman of the PCARD, President Baby Boy Bres, Dr. Marisa Estrella, and Ma'am Ruby Makasignat to award the token of appreciation to our keynote speaker. Okay, so that is a very special token, actually meticulously crafted to our keynote speaker. Okay, again, palapakan po natin si Ma'am Marita Carlos, ating kapwa Bicolano. Diba? Kapag mga Bicolano, mga Uragon, and we are here celebrating Pili, the symbol of Bicolano resilience. Okay, so a while ago, our keynote speaker was discussing about the Pili Nicer project. And napaka-generous ng DOST PCARD to Bicol University for funding initiatives, projects related to Pili. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we will be watching a video presentation highlighting the accomplishments of the Pili Nicer project. Okay, so let's watch this.
Known as a tree of hope, Pili has been cherished for centuries as a symbol of resilience, and its vitality offers many potential for health, environment, and culinary delight.
Funded by the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources, Research and Development, through the Bicol Consortium for Agriculture, Aquatic, and Natural Resources Research and Development, in partnership with Bicol University, Camarines Norte State College, Catanduanes State University, Dr. Emilio B. Espinosa Senior Memorial State College of Agriculture, Sorsogon State University, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture, and the Philippine Pili Industry League Incorporated. The Pili Niche Center for Pili Nicer was established to enhance the competitive advantage of Pili in the world market through academic industry, Collaboration for Sustainable Pili Production System. The Pili Nicer project was headed by Dr. Marisa N. Estrella, Professor Judith R. Chavez, Dr. Lester M. Narvaez, Professor Vladimir R. Foronda, Dr. Ronel R. Atone, Engineer Estrella A. Calpe, and Engineer Christopher Pacardo.
And as researchers, we focus on healing because there is also this window at USD, the Science for Change program, wherein they have this so-called NICER program, the establishment of which are in the center in the region. So, since indigenous na yung feeling sa atin, then we focus on healing. And I realized na grabe ang potential niya in the world market. For now, we are even exporting na yung kanya niya, not only for local use na siya.
As of now, there are two methods of propagating pili asexually. Those are cleft grafting and inert seeding. So itong dalawang ito na asexual methods of propagation ay mga produkto din ito ng research. Kaya sa ngayon, yan ang i-recommend namin para sa propagation ng pili. Kapag ang itanim natin ay lalaking seedling, we cannot expect na mabumunga siya. Kapag asexually propagated, we are sure na mamumunga siya kasi may kinakabit tayo na galing dun sa mature na puno ng pili.
With the end goal of providing science and technology intervention to the industry, the program has developed 7 projects. Around 322 pili trees were geotagged using the Geographic Information System, or GPS, covering 16 municipalities from Albay, 7 from Catanduanes, and 15 from the province of Sorsogon. As a result of pili genetic resources in Albay, Catanduanes, and Sorsogon, around 140 pili trees from Albay, 52 from Catanduanes, and 133 from Sorsogon were characterized using the old descriptors for pili, and about 5,136 hectares of pili farms with around 104,245 not-bearing pili trees in Sorsogon, Albay, Camarines Sur, and Camarines Norte were geo-mapped and characterized. A total of 117 plants propagators in the Bicol region were trained on pili propagation. The project was able to train 15 plant propagators on asexual propagation of pili nut seedling from each of the 6 provinces of Bicol, produce 5,000 in-nut and 5,000 cleft-grafted pili nut seedling from select mother plants, plant 10,000 asexually propagated pili nut seedlings in around 100 hectares area in Bicol, and train and inform the beneficiaries and prospective pili nut farmers on the technology and prospects of pili nut farming as a business. In the ever-evolving digital age, the Pili Nicer is also at the forefront of embodying the power of technology to enhance the pili industry. The project also developed a comprehensive pili information system utilizing Web 2.0 technologies, a roadmap towards knowledge management build-up. This initiative serves as a platform on how to access, analyze, and utilize information about pili. The Pili Information System provides access to a collection of pili-related knowledge. It also serves as a database for scientific publications centered on the pili industry. It also provides a dynamic system that provides updates of the latest findings and methodologies on pili, and it also serves as a platform for pili farmers, producers, and stakeholders to collaborate and share knowledge to advance pili industry. With the initiatives of expanding pili plantations, the occurrence of pests and diseases threatens the pili production. Thus, pili pests and diseases were studied and pathogens were detected. Pili Nicer provides opportunities to understanding and combating pili pests and diseases, which is a vital science conservation and sustainable pili industry, and pivotal for designing appropriate integrated pest and disease management scheme to enhance the yield of pili. With the increasing demand for pili nut production locally and abroad, and to increase the hectareage devoted to pili production in Bicol region, some 102 hectares of pili plantations have been established in the Bicol region, with 22 hectares in Albay, 15 hectares in Camarines Norte, 25 hectares in Camarines Sur, 15 hectares in Catanduanes, 10 hectares in Masbate, and 15 hectares in Sorsogon. The Pili Nicer is also at the forefront of pioneering techniques for propagating pili trees, which revealed methods of optimal pili cultivation methods, ensuring more abundant and sustainable supply of pili. As a promising industry, pili and its byproducts have steadily growing market, such as an availability of cost-saving post-harvest and processing technologies. The project also developed a post-harvest system that consists of pili sorter, depulper, cracker, casta remover, and oil extractor that could be commercially viable to the needs of pili industry.
The Pili Nicer program is a journey towards preservation, conservation, and sustainable pili cultivation. It is also just one chapter of our work in progress, the story of responding to the constraints in the innovations and development of Pili Nut. Adhering to the industry's strategic science and technology program approach of the Department of Science and Technology, adhering to the industry's strategic science and technology program approach of the Department of Science and Technology, Philippine Council for Agriculture, Aquatic and Natural Resources, Research and Development.
Okay, so that's it. Palakpakan po natin ang mga project implementers ng Pili Nicer project. Okay, andyan po sila. Isang masigaw pong palakpakan naman po sa kanila. So, the video highlights the accomplishment of the Pili Nicer project. Now, at this point, meron naman tayong isang video na mapapanood. Isang pang video, and it will talk about fiesta. Ano ba ang fiesta? Okay, a while ago, the keynote speaker mentioned about fiesta and why do we need to conduct this fiesta. Okay, it's either Pili Fiesta, Abang ang Fiesta. Okay, bakit ba kailangan natin mag-celebrate ng fiesta? And in the video that will be presented, will show us the importance, the significance of conducting fiesta.
And that was the video presentation. Ayun pala po ang fiesta, no? Akala ko totoong fiesta. So at this point, I have to tell you, sir, I'm very excited by this next point. But before anything else, I would like to acknowledge Professor Ruby Macasinag. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I never imagined to be able to become part of such a wonderful event. And I grew up with a vast orchard of pili trees, and I never imagined it to be something so big. But look at it now. Now, at this juncture, we will unveil the Pili Icon Perspective. This icon perspective is not merely a representation, it is a living embodiment of the rich heritage, sustainable practices, and the promising future that lies ahead for the PE industry. Crafted with meticulous detail and inspired by the resilience of the PE tree, this icon invites us to explore new horizons, embrace innovation, and foster unity.
And before we unveil the Pili icon, let us take a moment to acknowledge the artist who has poured his passion into creating a symbol that will resonate across generations. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan po natin Architect Leo de Rosario to unveil the Pili icon. Sir? Yan, sabay-sabay po tayo magbibilang. And at the count of 3, ready? 3, and may we also request our friends from Picard from the US to please join Architect Leo as he unveils the Pili icon. Okay, friends, let's do the countdown. At the count of 3, please.
Sige lang, picture.
Okay, so crafted with meticulous detail and inspired by the resilience of the Pili tree. The Pili icon invites us to explore new horizon, embrace innovation, and foster unity. Friends, let's do the countdown. 3, 2, and 1. And to give us a clearer view or picture of the icon, we are flashing that here in the LED. The proposed Pili icon for the Bicol region. Palampakan ulit natin ang ating artist, Architect Leo de Rosario, and of course, the officials of Picard Bicol University for joining Architect Leo in unveiling of the Pili icon. Sooner or later, makikita na natin yan ang icon in every part of the Bicol region. Yan, maraming salamat po. And at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we will be entertained by a dance number. Diba, isang fiesta ay hindi kumpleto kapag walang sayawan. Gusto niyo bang sumayaw? Okay. So, ang hindi sasayaw ay hindi makaka-uwi. Okay. Anyway, so ladies and gentlemen, for an intermission number that is welcome, the Bio Leon Dancers. Okay, so may I invite everyone to please join our magiging dancers, the Pantomina. So as we all know, Pantomina is a traditional wedding dance. Hindi magtatapos ang isang selebrasyon kapag hindi tayo sumayaw ng Pantomina. Would like to request all our guests to please join us in the community dancing of the Pantomina. Yan, ang una na si Ma'am Carly, si Ma'am Carlos, okay, kasi tubong Mingulana. I'm sure that when she get married, talagang nagpantumina sila. Okay, lahat po tayo kay... Pwede po tayo sumayaw, ma'am, ang ating mga friends from Bicard. Okay, Julian, puntahan mo si Engineer Bacardo kasi kanina pa siya tumitingin sa'yo. Pantumina na kayo yan, si Engineer Bacardo. Yan. Palakpakan po natin. Yan, Engineer Bacardo. Yan. Sige sir, huwag ka magpapahiya ha. Hindi dapat magpasupugon. Yan. Babae na nagrani sa imo ha. Yan. Everyone, please join us here. Mr. Edwin, alam ko gusto nang sumayaw. Sir Erwin Torres, punta po tayo dito sa unahan. Yes, Sir Max! Sir Max! Yan, sayaw po tayo. Sayaw para... Sir Fox, huwag ka po ng yes. Yan, mataon pa kay ano? Bill, 1,000. Sige. Yan, andun yung dalawa, si Ma'am Janessa. Yan, si Ma'am Janessa at si Ma'am Janessa, ano po tayo, ano? You are being invited. Wow! Sir Pax? Ano po yan, Sir Pax? Apang tumi na baka ubunod? Yan, everybody, yan, Gian, so Gian, I would like you to meet Gian. Okay, sige. Sino naman kayong dalawa? Yan. Tuwag ko ba siya ng pagtumina? Yan. You want more? Isa pa daw as requested by Ma'am Ruby. More? Thank you, ma'am. Yan, mga ano mo yun ang lawas.
Sir, what about you?
Bonus ko.
Center stage closer.
Yan, palakpakan mo. Okay, so we'll be having more of the performances. Okay, maraming salamat to the Be Magiging Dancers. Palakpakan po natin sila for setting the tone, the fiesta tone. Yeah, the fiesta ambience. Now, in the next program, so we'll be having the opening of Pili exhibit. But before we witness the culmination and dedication and creativity of the Pili enthusiasts, diba, by showing their Pili products, we will be having first a photo opportunity. Okay, so I would like to request our guests, our visitors, please join us here on stage for a photo opportunity. Ay dito sa baba. Ma'am. Our guests, our friends from P-Card, and lahat ng andito ngayon, ang lahat ng andito na ngayon na 220 guests. Okay, so meron tayo expected na 220 guests. Okay, so I would like to request everyone to please join us in the photo opportunity because ito ay pinakaunang Pili Fiesta. So this is a history in the making. So you are part of the history, so kailangan natin i-document yan by joining us in one frame for the photo opportunity. Okay, so our guests from P-Card, and our friends at their CMIs to please join us here. Siyempre, after ng sayawan ng bagong kasal, ang photo opportunity. Okay, sino bang ating bride dyan? May we also request Mr. Jervin to please join us here. Siguro po ang iba sa taas, guys, yung pwede tayo pumunta sa taas para, or pwede tayong press, join ka na. Yan. Sa taas na lang po yung iba. Smile. Say, Pili. Yan. Say, cheese. One more. Another one. Opa. Yan, Opa. We love Pili. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you for joining us in the photo opportunity. Thank you for joining us in this gathering. You are part of the Pili Fiesta history in the Bicol region. Okay, friends, we are not yet done with our program. So this is going to be a 2-day activity and we're just done with the first part. And after this, we will be having the media press conference to be facilitated by Professor B.M. Makasinag. And we'll also be having the PDT's test recognition to be facilitated by Professor Maria Luisa Otango. And we will be having the opening of the Pili exhibit. Okay, I think the food is now ready. Siguro, no? Let's have some snacks before we proceed to the media press conference and exhibit. Okay, for the media press conference,
May we invite all media practitioners and those who are indicated in the program. Let's proceed to Bataan Room. It is right before the spa, in front of the hotel entrance. So, punta po tayo for the press conference. And nandito nakita ko na si Sir Seth Limatera and other media practitioners. Let's head to the Bataan Room. Ready na po doon yung ating venue. And we'll be joined by all the Pili Nicer project leaders. So we also would like to call the attention of project leaders for Pili Nicer, as well as those who are primarily involved in Pili production and processing. So punta po tayo sa Bataan Room. And it's going to happen in a few minutes. Thank you very much.
and this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, at 1 to 5 p.m., we'll be having the technology pitching. So makikita natin at iba't ibang mga machines developed for Pili. And the technology pitching will be moderated by the program leader of the Race Beacon, Engineer Christopher Pacardo. So this is an opportunity for us para makita natin kung gaano na ba nag-improve in terms of mechanization, in terms of technology ang ating PD. So at 1 to 5 o'clock, we would like to invite everyone to please join us in the PD pitching, technology pitching. And again, so ladies and gentlemen, this is not just a gathering of an ordinary event, but a celebration of diversity, resilience, and pursuit of excellence. We are gathered today as a community of growers, innovators, and entrepreneurs, all united by the Pili's extraordinary potentials.
Now, this Pili Fiesta is a platform for sharing our ideas, fostering collaboration, and propelling this incredible nut into new heights of recognition.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Again, hindi po tayo tapos. This is just, and we will also be having the ribbon cutting of the exhibit. We would like to request Dr. Alberto N. Freddy, Dr. Big Boy Benjamin Nebres III, Pickard officials, Director Ronel Tornilla, Joris Alves, CMI heads, and guests to please join us in the opening of our exhibit. So maraming salamat. It's my pleasure to be with you all celebrating this day, celebrating the Pili Fiesta. I'm Edge and
I'm Juliet.
Saying maraming salamat at magandang umaga, and let's enjoy the rest of the celebration. It's going to be a 2-day celebration. Maraming salamat, and I believe the drinks now ready. So pwede po tayo kumain, and let's enjoy the celebration. Thank you. Pickard officials, Director Rodel Tornilla, Joris Alves, MPS, and ES. Pwede po tayo pumunta doon sa likod for the ribbon cutting as we officially open the exhibit. And for tomorrow's event, we would like again to invite everyone And of course, the awarding ceremony for the announcement of the vlog and photography contest winners. So, madami tayong pamimigay na pampremyo bukas. So sana, andito pa rin kayo. Please join us again tomorrow as we celebrate the fiesta, the Pili Fiesta. Farm. The Pili Fiesta 2023 Farm and Industry Counters to Science and Technology Agenda, celebrating Pili people, propagation, processing, and mechanization. Yan, our Pickard and Pickard officials and some of our guests are busy with the opening of the exhibit. After the opening of the exhibit, we will be having a search or the contest for the best Pili Mazapan 2023. The exhibit will showcase five products on Pili, research findings, and photographs about the Pili. Okay, so I think our key officials, the Pickard officials are now ready for the ceremonial ribbon cutting. That would symbolize the formal opening of the Pili exhibit. So ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the ribbon cutting and the opening of the Pili exhibit. Yan, isa pong masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat to our key officials for doing the honor of cutting the ribbon that signals the formal opening of our exhibit. May I invite everyone to please, pwede po tayo pumunta doon sa ating exhibit and let's see kung ano pwede natin ma-discover. And after the exhibit, we will be having the best Pili Mazapan 2023 and let us read the mechanics for the search for best Pili Mazapan. And the search is open to all interested DTI accredited Pili shops in the Bicol region.
The participating Pili shops should prepare 42 pieces of their computing scheme as a fun product in slices of 2 by 2 centimeters.
And the winning Pili shop shall receive a plaque of recognition for the best Pili Mazapan in the Bicol region.
I'm excited for this our contest, sir, because this is a blind test. We'll be picking random participants.
And the evaluators will judge the samples of the fairly and mainly consider the following criteria for the mazapan: the taste or lasa, texture or pagkakayari, aroma, amoy, and overall quantity, pangkalasang kalidad. And the finished product will be judged by rating the scale of 1 to 10. And 1 being the lowest and 10 highest, keeping in mind that 10 means extremely light. And each taster evaluator will be given an evaluation sheet and pen to write his or her gender, age ratings, and required information for the submission to the designated contest facilitators. And the Pili shop that will get the highest overall numerical weighting shall be declared the winner. And the result of the contest shall be considered final and irrevocable. And also we'll be having the mobile photography contest, okay, which is open to non-professional amateur photographer students and employees of the P-Cards Consortium member institution.
Now there is only one entry per participant allowed. All entries must adhere to the theme Celebrating Pili, People, Propagation, Processing, and Mechanization.
And the criteria for judging for the mobile photography contest, we have relevance and adherence to the theme,
40%,
impact and message of the photograph,
20%,
composition and creativity,
20%,
originality of the work,
20%,
total,
100%.
and these are the cash prizes to be awarded to the winners. The first prize will receive 5,000 pesos plus certificate of recognition.
And our second prize would receive 4,000 pesos and certificate of recognition.
The third prize will receive 3,000 pesos plus certificate of recognition.
And an additional award for the highest number of reactions, which is 2,000 pesos and certificate of recognition.
Okay, so lahat po tayo ay pwedeng mag-judge for the highest number of reaction. So as we look at the pictures, pwede tayo maglagay ng ating mga reactions, and the one with the highest reactions, siguro positive reactions na hindi pwedeng angry.